Hello subscribers. I used to have a 3D printing business, but now I don't. Let me tell you about the difficulties I faced while running this business. It all started during the COVID pandemic, a time when the world seemed to be falling apart. Jobs were uncertain, and people were panicking about the future. I was freelancing in programming, just scraping by to meet the daily needs. But like many of us, I wanted more. I wanted to do something different, something exciting. One day, I stumbled upon 3D printing. It was all over YouTube, people telling me that 3D printing could make me a millionaire overnight. I was hooked. As a kid, I didn't know that I wouldn't make as much money from the 3D printing business, and I was about to make one of the biggest investments of the life at a really bad time. I bought a 3D printer when I had a lot of loans and no steady income. It felt like a big risk, but I believed what people said and decided to go for it. I remember the first print, a miniature, and the result, let's just say it was far from what I expected. It was frustrating to say the least. But I didn't give up. I started to learn more, experimenting with sculpting, refining the skills. And over time, I began to see progress. I started selling miniatures. Slowly, I was able to cover the cost of the printer, and it felt like a small victory. I was finally able to meet the needs, travel, and even enjoy time with friends. But then came the real turning point. One day, I received orders from overseas. The catch: they didn't want physical prints, they wanted the 3D model files. And I could deliver those in just a few hours. I got 2 orders from foreign clients, each paying $30. That's when it hit me. I was wasting too much time on printing and painting. The truth is, I am not an artist, but I could sculpt. The industry could 3D print, and an artist could paint. By working together, we could split the work and the profits and create something truly amazing. So here's the lesson I learned. 3D printing is not just about having a printer. It's about building a network, combining skills, and working smarter, not harder. When you focus on the right pieces of the puzzle, the rewards can be huge. So, if you are thinking about getting into 3D printing, remember, you can earn a lot more money by learning sculpting, 3D printing, or even becoming a painting artist. But the key is to form a team with the right people and work together. If you are searching for a team, leave a comment in the pinned comments below. This can be the community for collaborators like you to connect and work together.